didn't pass my last test, even though I tried my best. I think I just need some help, cause I can't integrate. I trade my soul for an A, but you sub gets in the way. Trig rules just hurting my brain, so I can't integrate. Slope fields are easy, and makes me crazy. Problems try to teach me. Can I use my calculator? Hey, I don't get this, and this is crazy. Can't find the area. I'm failing, maybe. It's hard to pass these crazy calc tests. I owe it to you. I must try my best. Hey, I don't get this, and this is crazy. Can't find the area. I'm failing, maybe. And all the calc rules just confuse me. Is it definite? Do I have plus C? So many trig rules to use, I just don't know what to choose. I just replace all the use, but they're still in my way. Walk division or use, and then there's power rule too. Integral U and du, just tell me what to do. What's the population of this tiny nation? I need an equation, so I can solve the crazy problem. Hey, I don't get this, and this is crazy. Can't find the area. I'm failing, maybe. It's hard to pass these crazy calc tests. I owe it to you. I must try my best. Hey, I don't get this, and this is crazy. Can't find the area. I'm failing, maybe. And all the calc rules just confuse me. Is it definite? Do I have plus C? Before I came into my life, I was so happy. I was so carefree. Why did you fail me? Before I came into my life, I was so happy. I was so carefree. Why did you fail me? It's hard to pass these crazy calc tests. I owe it to you. I must try my best. Wait, how to get this? And this is crazy. I found the area. I'm passing, maybe. Now all the calc rules don't confuse me. Yes, it's definite, so don't add plus C. Before you came into my life, that made me so sad. I was just so sad. I was just so sad. Before Calc came into my life, I was so happy. And I took AB, so happy, baby.
Brilliant.
Okay, it's really hard to put the examples into song, so I'm going to quickly explain them. The first one I'm going to do is integrating sine of 3x with respect to x. And so to start off, use the u substitution method. So your u value is equal to 3x. And then to find the du value, you just take the derivative of 3x, which is equal to 3 dx. And then you divide du by 3 to get the value of dx. And then you plug those variables you found into the original equation. So you plug u in for 3x and 1/3 in for du. And then you can take the 1/3 out because it's a constant. So it turns out to be 1/3 integral sine u du. And then you integrate sine u du, which turns into negative 1/3 cosine u plus c. And then finally you replace the u with your original value of u, which is 3x. So your final answer is negative 1/3 cosine 3x plus c. Okay, so the second problem I want to explain is the exponential growth problem. And the problem reads, the rate of increase of the population of a certain city is proportional to the population. If the population in 1930 was 50,000 and in 1960 it was 75,000, what was the population in 1990? So since the increase of population is proportional to the population, you use the formula dp over dt equals kp. And you go through a bunch of steps to finally get the formula p equals c e to the kt. And those steps are written on the board, but I'm not going to explain them right now because they're not entirely relevant to the problem. And so what you want to first do to start off is make a chart that has your independent variable and your dependent variable. So in this case, it's time and population. So in 1930, it would be 0, 50,000. In 1960, it would be 30, 75,000. And in 1990, it would be 60, blank, because you don't know what the population is in 1990. So to start off with this, you want to plug in your time and population for 1930. So it would be 50,000 equals c e to the kt. And then since your k is 0, you can figure out that c is equal to 50,000. So then you want to go through the same step again, but this time you want to plug c in, or 50,000 in as c. And you want to plug in your variables for 1960. So it would be 75,000 equals 50,000 e to the k times 30. And eventually you'll figure out that that is equal to 1.5 equals e to the k times 30. Okay, so you take the ln of both sides and you get ln 1.5 equals k times 30. And then you can find k by dividing each side by 30. So k is equal to ln 1.5 divided by 30. Then finally, to find the population in 1990, you plug your c and your k into your original formula. So p equals 50,000 e to the ln 1.5 over 30 times t. So you plug 60 in for t, since 1990 is 60 years after 1930. And your final answer is equal to 112,500 people.